Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be checking out part 6 of our pretty hairstyle ideas that you can try out this fall season. So the client starts off with hair around shoulder length. The stylist chops the hair down into a bob. Wow, absolutely gorgeous bob makeover. She ends up getting a nice modern angled shape here for this one. The tousled curls are mixed in as well. And it ends just around the jawline. This is so beautiful. So moving on to the next one, we have a DIY haircut. And a nice little pixie style. And then here we have another pixie, ooh, with the baby bangs. Followed by a big chop transformation. So the stylist cuts off all of that hair. And she gets a nice shoulder length bob. Looks like she got some color as well, going lighter. Very nice. Hair looks like it has that nice sun-kissed highlighted look. So here we have someone else rocking out mid-length hair, getting a bob. Oh, going even shorter. So it looks like she got a nice mini bob style. This one ends just around the jawline. Also, I think that that's more of like the pixie bob variation. You could see there in the back where she had it shorter. So here we have someone with very long hair. So the hair is placed in 2 ponytails. So what do you guys think? Is this going to be a pixie or a bob? Oh, wow. Another beautiful dramatic transformation into a pixie. She does have the bangs going there in the front. Very cute. So next up we have someone with mid-back length hair. Oh, another beautiful pixie. Oh, I love the bangs here. A lot of texture in this cut. Gorgeous. I love the way that the swoop bangs frame out the pixie. Oh, and we have another beautiful shoulder length lob Very nice. Classic look for the fall season. So moving right along, we have another waist length hairstyle. So she has the V shape to her hair. She ends up getting this layered haircut. Very nice. Now, as you guys know, if you follow this channel, layers are a great way to shake up some boring strands, add some texture, and look how much thicker her hair looks. So here we have someone rocking out a Pixie. She's got the long sideburns here, the bangs going there in the front. Very popular shape that we are seeing this fall. And we get a nice 360 view of that Pixie. So next up, we have a stylist doing their hair. So it looks like she washed it and then she's going in and shaping the hair. Ooh, now this is a great example of a shaggy pixie style. I love the way that that color came out too. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these pretty fall hairstyles that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.